guys, Austin with DS Diving. I'm in the boat Stacy. It's July 31st, 2023. This is your after video. It's got I just pointed out in the video, looks like the cable had come out, just slipped out of the, this, I guess you could call it sheath. Trying to get it back in there. Looks like I'm going to need a couple different tools. So next service, I'll put in the notes to bring the tools we need to try to get that back in there, or cut a new piece of cable and just put in a whole new piece of cable. But I'll let Dave know and he'll get back with you. Let's finish the boat. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing